There's nothing sweeter than hitting the open highway. And when the road just seems to open up for you, jackpot. With SiriusXM Traffic, all the answers to your route questions are built right into your navigation system, so you can just focus on loving the ride. SiriusXM Traffic gives you 24/7 incident coverage of most major roadways nationwide, so you're always in the know when you're on the go. Uh-oh, road work up ahead. But you'll know that because you'll get alerts on everything from major accidents to construction to road closings along your route. See all that red? That means traffic's slowing down. Color-coded roads show traffic speed in major metro areas, so you'll be able to see how fast traffic is moving along your way. The best part? All of it works with your vehicle's navigation screen, so you're not weaving through traffic while you're fumbling with your phone. Even better, you may be eligible for a trial subscription to SiriusXM Traffic with the purchase of a properly equipped new or pre-owned vehicle. Yes, really. So make sure to enjoy every minute of your trial and see how SiriusXM can make getting to where you're going as nice as getting there. Just go to SiriusXM.com/traffic to learn more.